Yo, what's going on? Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in. We are doing a update on Bitcoin. So, man, a lot of things happened this week, man. As you can see, um, earlier this week, we did analysis on it, and it did range between this price for a while, and it decided to hit the price target, but it did take a dip lower. It went into another supply area. It look like this thing is still bearish. We're seeing how long the bears will stay in, how far it drops Bitcoin down to, but it dropped it tremendously over the period of last few weeks. You know what's been with that last high? That was, let's check that date. That was April, let's see, 14th, April 14th. That was the last high. So yeah, it's been a month of just falling. Yeah, it's been a month of gradual falling, but it's taking its time. It's falling, but it definitely took the Bears really did kick it in effect last week. Last week it really started driving price down. So let's take a look. So we got a trend line break here so far. So we can remove this one here. We have some upside movement. This is how you can determine when this thing how it's gonna continue to move. We'll see if it continues to go that way. That is price. If it has to break the 37.28 price. The 37 281 price for that alert go off. So what is Bitcoin gonna do? What is it gonna do? Take a look at on the 2 hour chart real quick. Right now we're resisting at the target level. Where we got resistance there. It resisted there for a little bit. Resisted there, came there, stayed there. Then finally took a drop. Drop made its low here. The low is at $30,205. While it came up, it stayed up in the area, dropped down, hit the support level at 34,000. I was trying to move up. So I'm thinking it may go back up here and hit 42,000 and maybe continue to fall. Let's see. Let's see what this thing continue to do. It may fall again. Right now, this thing, the bear seems to run the show. It might trade. From the looks of it, it may trade between the 29,000 and 42,000 or 45,000. It's like the trading area. I don't know if it's gonna drop any further, but we can find out how much further it can drop. We really pretty much see it right there. So we're going to the 6 hour chart and we're gonna put it in there. Next major area is here. Or Bitcoin go that far, oh yeah, investors will be in a frenzy of getting back in. People will definitely be in the frenzy trying to get back in if it drops at that price or these prices here. Bitcoin will be considered cheap. Smaller time frame and stand that out real quick. Come on. Oh, shit. Yeah, trying to get these right, man. I like them all the way in there, y'all. So excuse me, sorry about that. I just need to be being a perfectionist and trying to, be more detailed. All right. Targets up to the upside. Let's get that boxed in too as well. This was the area as well. All right. And those are the targets. All right. Let's go back to the small time frame. Oh, on the low end, we have target levels back into this area, but we'll see. We'll go 25,000 would be a potential price target. We're changing that over to resistance. This is resistance. So this is no longer support. It's resistance. All supplier price supports have become resistance. What am I doing here? Cut it out. I leave that as support. You know what? I leave that as support. Nah, we'll make the change. Right now, we'll just keep this as support. And it is resistance, but support and resistance is resistance. Resistance is resistance. Support is resistance. So it's all the same. Just to let you guys know. All right. So we got price targets. Right now to the upside will be here at this level here at 42.98. So we got a zone it may target and grow into, but before it reach these targets, it has to break through a couple of support levels or resistance levels to get to that target. So we'll see how the market react to those prices, or it's going to continue to stay bearish and hit this target here with his supply zone here and force its way back down. Maybe range into here and then push down to 25,000. That's a possibility. That is a possibility. Everything is still in the air on that thing. So we'll see if this was the final support, the low of the month, and we'll see if it's pushed higher over the next few weeks. But it's the analysis, guys. An update. And like and subscribe and comment. Please support the channel. Please help the YouTube algorithm. That's lesson for today, guys. That's Alex Jenkins checking out.